Welcome to your Health Facts podcast. Today, we're going to be exploring hair health and all the factors that contribute to hair growth. I think we often take our hair for granted until we start losing it, and this deep dive will reveal some really surprising insights, I think, into the science behind lush locks. Although genetics definitely play a role, our diet and lifestyle choices really do have a significant impact on the vitality of our hair.
So, hair loss, scientifically known as androgenic alopecia, can be attributed to hormonal imbalances. Specifically, a hormone called dihydrotestosterone can actually impede hair growth. And interestingly, research has indicated that diets that are abundant in whole plant foods, especially those rich in what are called phytoestrogens, can help to mitigate hair loss. In contrast, diets high in processed foods, those with excessive meat consumption and, inadequate sleep, all of these things can contribute to hair loss.
Wow, that's fascinating. It's really amazing how what we eat has such a direct impact on our hair health. I mean, the idea that incorporating, things like raw vegetables and fresh herbs, and even just like a few pumpkin seeds into our daily diet can promote hair growth.
Mhm.
It's really a testament to the power of natural solutions. And, additionally, I've heard that soy products like soy milk and tofu being rich in those phytoestrogens that you mentioned can be particularly beneficial for, postmenopausal women who are experiencing those hormonal shifts.
Yeah, absolutely. And the connection between blood flow and hair health is something that's really crucial. Just as restricted blood flow can harm our vital organs, inadequate blood flow can also starve hair follicles, which leads to weaker hair and potential hair loss. And we know that saturated fat, which is found in a lot of processed foods and animal products, this can trigger inflammation and impede that blood flow.
That makes a lot of sense. The analogy between heart health and hair health is really striking. Just as a healthy heart relies on that robust blood flow, our hair follicles need that optimal blood circulation to thrive as well. So maintaining good blood flow is really essential for our overall well-being, including healthy hair.
Yeah, that's a great point. And I think medications like minoxidil, which was initially designed for high blood pressure, actually highlight the importance of blood flow and hair growth. It works by dilating blood vessels, which can help to stimulate hair growth, but it also can cause some unwanted side effects, such as headaches and even unwanted hair growth in other areas.
Right. Right. And, like while medications can offer those temporary solutions, I think a more holistic approach through lifestyle modifications can really provide, long-term benefits for hair health. And without those unwanted side effects, even simple changes like incorporating stress-reducing activities, like yoga, can really improve blood flow, which in turn contributes to overall wellness and potentially healthier hair.
Yeah, for sure. And internal health is also really vital when we're addressing hair loss. Getting blood work done can unveil those hormonal imbalances like thyroid or cortisol issues. And, these can often be effectively managed with a doctor, through appropriate medical guidance. So really understanding our internal health it's a big first step towards achieving and maintaining healthy hair.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? Like how everything in our bodies is so interconnected. And, how things that we might not even think are related, like hormonal balance, can actually have such a big impact on hair health.
Yeah.
So, getting blood work done can really provide those valuable insights into what's happening inside, inside our bodies. And that allows us to, make those informed decisions about our hair and our overall wellness.
Right. And of course, vitamins and minerals play, an essential role in hair growth as well. Iron, for example, is particularly important, for women who have heavy menstrual cycles. And zinc deficiency, which is, often observed in individuals who are following vegetarian diets, that can be addressed through, supplementation. And then there's omega-3 fatty acids and selenium and biotin. All of these are crucial for healthy hair growth as well.
It's interesting, all these very specific dietary components that can actually influence hair growth. So, maintaining optimal levels of all these nutrients is clearly essential for healthy hair. But at the same time, I think it's really important to consult with a doctor before we start taking any supplements. Because I know that both deficiencies and excesses, can impact our health, including the health of our hair.
Yeah, absolutely. And vitamin D, which I think is often overlooked, is really vital for overall health and hair growth too. Individuals with darker skin, people over 65, and anyone who doesn't get a lot of sun exposure, they should consider getting their vitamin D levels checked. So maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D is it's essential. But on the other hand, excessive intake of some vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin E can actually have detrimental effects, and that includes, hair loss.
Hmm. Yeah. I think we also have to consider the impact of toxins and oxidative stress on hair health, right? I mean, there's so many
Yeah.
chemicals in our food and the water we drink and just in our environment. Things like heavy metals and pollution. All of this can actually damage, hair stem cells. So while we can't, completely avoid all toxins, I think it's crucial that we support our body's natural, detoxification process.
Absolutely. And, our gut health plays a vital role in all of this, in mitigating that oxidative stress, nurturing our gut microbiome through a balanced diet, that can really enhance our body's natural detoxification processes. And that, contributes to overall health and potentially to healthier hair growth. So a diet that's, rich in colorful fruits and vegetables packed with, antioxidants and fiber, that's really beneficial.
Yeah, it's remarkable,
Yeah.
how interconnected everything is in our bodies and how supporting one system, like our gut, can actually have such a positive influence on, areas that we might not even think are related, like hair health. So maintaining that healthy lifestyle, with a balanced diet, stress management, minimizing those toxins, all of that can really contribute to optimal well-being, and that includes healthy hair.
Right. I think taking that holistic approach to health, considering those various internal and external factors, that's really crucial for achieving and maintaining that vibrant, healthy hair that we all want. And I think understanding that intricate interplay, between our internal systems and those external factors, that really empowers us to make those informed decisions, the ones that support both our present and our future health.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this deep dive has really provided some valuable insights,
Yeah.
and even some practical tips for improving hair health. I mean, we've covered so much from the importance of that balanced diet to the impact of stress, those environmental toxins, all these different factors that contribute to healthy hair. And it's really a reminder that, healthy hair really starts from within.
Yeah, for sure. Prioritizing that balanced diet, managing stress, minimizing exposure to toxins, and just really adopting that holistic approach. These are essential steps towards, achieving and maintaining the healthy head of hair. And remember, small changes, but implemented consistently over time, these can yield some really remarkable results. Healthy hair, it's a journey, not a destination.
That's a great way to put it. It's important to pay attention to those signals that our bodies are sending us,
Yeah.
you know, like hair loss or changes in hair texture. These can actually be indicators of, some underlying imbalances, and that should prompt us to really evaluate our overall health. So addressing those root causes of hair health issues can really lead to some lasting and meaningful improvements in our overall well-being.
Exactly. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, so it's crucial that we listen and that we respond with care. And I think, by understanding those intricate connections between our diet, our lifestyle, and our hair health, that's how we can really empower ourselves to make those informed choices for a healthier mane, so to speak.
Absolutely. Well, I think this episode has really given us a really comprehensive understanding,
Yeah.
of all the factors that influence hair growth and health, from the role of nutrition and hormones, to the impact of stress and those environmental toxins. We've covered it all.
Hmm.
And I think we're all leaving here feeling much more empowered to take control of our hair health.
Yeah, I agree. Hair health, it's a multifaceted subject, right? And understanding how all these different elements interplay, that's really crucial for achieving those lasting results. So adopting that holistic approach, one that addresses those internal and external factors, that's what can really cultivate a head of hair that reflects overall vitality and well-being.
Well said. Well, this concludes our exploration of hair health for today.
Yeah.
But remember, vibrant hair, it really is a reflection of overall well-being. So for more insights on optimizing your health, be sure to visit yourhealthfacts.com and subscribe for for more insightful information. We'll see you next time.